Chris Mutsvangwa confirms Manhize shutdown, insists it's routine maintenance. The 11th of September 2025, by a correspondent, ZANU PF spokesperson and Manhize Steel director Christopher Mutsvangwa has admitted that operations at the highly publicized Manhize Steel plant have stopped, but dismissed reports of a full shutdown, insisting it is only routine maintenance. In a heated interview with journalist Simba Chikanza, Mutsvangwa pushed back against growing speculation, rejecting suggestions that the company, once touted as being bigger than South Africa's steel industry, is collapsing. Key points from the exchange included: shutdown questioned. Mutsvangwa confirmed operations have halted but maintained it was simply routine maintenance of blast furnaces. Low wages. ZVAITWA challenged him on allegations that workers were earning below the poverty datum line, around $277 per month. Foreign exploitation. Concerns were raised about whether Zimbabwe's resources were being exploited by foreign partners without proper oversight. Tax compliance. Mutsvangwa was pressed on whether Manhize was paying taxes as required. Employee welfare. The interviewer highlighted the plight of workers' families suddenly left without income during the stoppage. Sabotage concerns. Questions were asked about whether foreign investors had too much control and could be sabotaging Zimbabwe's flagship steel project. Public accountability. ZVAITWA argued that as both party spokesman and company director, Mutsvangwa owed the public an explanation. Sharp pushback. Mutsvangwa dismissed the questions as hate-filled fantasies and told the reporter to start your own steel plant instead of criticizing. The exchange has intensified scrutiny of the Chinese-owned Dinson Iron and Steel Company, DISCO, which operates the Manhize plant in Mvuma. The facility had been celebrated as a cornerstone of Zimbabwe's reindustrialization drive, with ruling party officials hailing it as a symbol of economic revival. But the current stoppage and allegations of poor wages, weak oversight, and lack of transparency now threaten to undermine the project's image as a government flagship.